Hello everyone, my name is Gordon Lee, Diamond Master from ATOMY, Canada. I'm so glad here today to share my life scenario. Writing the life scenario is the core of success in ATOMY. I remember our chairman said, the biggest reason why people don't succeed is that they don't picture their future success in mind. I didn't realize that until I met ATOMY and saw many people sparkling on ATOMY stage. I was living a life where I was not driving my success picture. Chairman woke me up, and ATOMY changed my life from a middle-class person to a person who can dream big and who can also make a positive difference to other people. ATOMY gives me this wonderful platform where I can achieve my dreams. Now, let me share some of my goals with you today. My first topic is parents. When I was younger, my parents used to run their own business, and even it was very successful at some point, it failed at last and ended up getting lots of debts, and this has been always pressuring them. Most parents are starting to enjoy their retirement life at this age. However, my parents still have to work hard to make money, and I know it's still quite difficult for them to pay off all their debts. My goal is to help them to pay $10,000 in 2022 and $30,000 in 2023. For my parents-in-law, they said they miss us and the grandchildren every time we call them. Our target is to go back to China to visit them twice a year from 2022, and we plan to spend 2 weeks living with them each time. Now I can picture the happy time they enjoy with us and the grandchildren. My second goal is about Mastership Achievement Plan. ATOMY Journey is like climbing a mountain with a group of partners, and we help each other on the journey. My target is to help 4 more partners to become Auto Sales Master by March 2022. And for myself, I aim to become a 7 Rows Master by then. I know there will be some challenges, however, I'm confident to overcome any difficulties. ATOMY has done a lot for us. Sharing and spreading the love of ATOMY is becoming easier and easier than before. So what we need to do is to improve ourselves and keep moving forward. My third category is about social contribution. ATOMY is such a great company that always encourages us to contribute to our society. I and my wife have been donating $20 per month to BC Children and Women Hospital for several years. I know this is a small amount of donation, but I hope this will give help and hope to those children in trouble. I will also invite my members who are willing to help to contribute together. From 2022, our target is to increase that to $40 per month. With ATOMY, we are taking the steps toward a balanced life, to live, to love, to learn, and to contribute. I hope more and more people get to know about ATOMY. Let's make a positive difference and create a better community together. This is my life scenario, Diamond Master Gordon Lee from ATOMY, Canada.